Culottes, a new sewing pattern from AngelaKane.com. I have made up the culottes pattern in this vibrant floral print. It is a linen mix from Croft Mill fabric. I pre-washed it, which took away some of the stiffness of the linen. The fabric is softer and works so well with the wide inverted pleats, front and back. The pattern is easy to download and easy to assemble. See my videos to guide you. The pattern is drafted in UK sizes 6 to 22. The How to Make PDF is interactive, linking you to how-to videos for sewing techniques you may need to brush up on. Download the pattern from AngelaKane.com.